Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do a little bit of fishing from the boat today, and I went out to the ocean to take a look at the waves, and everything looked pretty good out there. But what's been happening the past couple of mornings is that it's been pretty calm in the mornings, but then once the sun would come out, the winds would pick up and the waves would pick up. And so I was deciding whether to go to the ocean or go on the river and maybe go down to Sebastian Inlet. And I think the thing that's going to drive me to the river today is the sky itself. Looks like there's some chance of some storms up there. And so if there were going to be storms, that could make the weather change pretty quickly. And I'd rather have it change quickly when I'm on the river versus when I'm out in the middle of the ocean. So for gear today, I'm going to bring my bag. I'm going to bring my bait bucket and try to catch some live bait. Have a little bit of shrimp and sand fleas. I'm going to bring a cooler today for drinks. And I'm going to bring 3 light rods and then 1 medium. Alright, we're here at the bridge. Like I said, the first part of the day is to just try to catch a couple bait fish. And using a light rod, small hook. I'm only going to put little pieces of shrimp on this. As it chum up the water a little bit. Not trying to catch big fish here. Ooh, what is this? Ah, pufferfish. Wasn't looking to catch that. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now, little snapper. It's not good to me right now. Another snapper. Grunt this time, or pigfish. Jack. That is one big ladyfish. I don't think I've ever caught a ladyfish this big. It's 2 feet.